Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you the next answer copy of our AM for Agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having AM for Agriculture series where we are having daily answer writing practice plus weekly full tests. So this is the copy of the daily answer writing practice of day 16. डे 16 की जो डेली आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस थी उसी की कॉपी है. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकन वन ऑफ द कॉपीज सो यू कैन सी that how the student has approached the answer, and you can also develop your own understanding of the questions, own understanding of your answers, and you can also get the help from these answers through which you can also structure your answers well. You can get the definitions, examples from these answers. So this is going to be very helpful to you. Although I was not able to make the video of this series from in last few days, but now I will continue this. And currently although we are going on day 25, ठीक है, अगर आप देखो तो हम डे 25 तक पहुंच चुके हैं, पर क्योंकि I was not able to make videos for previous some days, so I will start from day 16 and slowly we will cope up all the remaining content. जितना भी answers copies हमसे छूटा है वो हम लोग सब cover up कर लेंगे. We will cover all the copies that have been left or we are not able to make the videos. Okay, so let's see. And I will pause the I will you can pause the video on certain terms where you want to read the answer detail, because I will not be going in that much detail. I will just be giving you a brief overview. So if you want to read the answers, you can pause the video and read the answers. Okay, so let's start. So the first question, so Naj, write short notes on aromatic plants and medicinal plants. So let's see how the student has approached the answer. First of all, what are aromatic plants? So these plants produce essential oils with distinct fragrance known as aromatic plants. So what are aromatic plants? And very nicely written by student that they produce essential oil with distinct fragrance. Examples have been given of lavender. Usage have been written that they are used in perfumes, they are used as culinary herb, they are used for aromatherapy. Okay, so nicely written. Example of rose is also given. Example of jasmine has been given. If you want to read, you can pause the video and read in detail. Then the student has written about medicinal plant that is used for therapeutic and medicinal purposes, that have used in pharmaceutical sector, in therapeutic sector, in medical sector. Those are what medicinal plants are. You can see the examples. The example of neem has been given such as neem, characteristics of neem, property of neem: it is antimicrobial, it is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Turmeric has, the example of turmeric has been written, example of ginger has been written. So you can pause and read the answers. So this was the first question, and you can say that in conclusion the student has also mentioned about Ayush mission, okay, in which there is a huge role of these traditional aromatic and medicinal plants. So very well written answer. Now let's move to the second question. So the second question was about discuss the methodology of socio-economic survey in India. Okay, so what is a socio-economic survey? It is a research method used to collect data on social and economic conditions of individuals or households. So very well written, and you can say it aims various aspects such as income, education, employment, standard of living, social status. So well written answer. Now, as the question is asked about methodology, you can see what methodology are there for socioeconomic survey. First one, we have to do objective setting. That is, we have to define our goal for which objective we are doing the socioeconomic survey. Is it the objective of assessing poverty? It is the objective of assessing additional attainment, or accessing the health, or anything. So we have to first of all set the objectives. Secondly, we have to design our survey. Then we will do sampling. Okay, we all know that sample is of three types: random, stratified, and cluster. In random sampling, we will randomly pick some person. Suppose there are 1,000 persons, we will randomly pick 100 persons, and on the basis of the data provided by these 100%, we will come to the conclusion of our data. So that is what we do in sampling. Okay, because it is not possible to collect data of all the persons, so random sampling can be done. Data collection, then data collection needs to be done. Okay, data entry and processing can be done, Excel sheets can be used, analysis can be done, then analysis needs to be done, then reporting, then feedback and review. So this was about the methodology of socioeconomic survey. If you want to read the answers in detail, as I have told you, you can pause the video and read in detail. I am just giving you a brief overview. Now let's move to the third question. This was objectives and procedures of seed certification and registration. It was a 20 mark question. So what is seed certification? So it is a kind of assessing the quality, purity of the seeds, and then their seeds are certified through a certificate that the seed is of good quality, good purity, and that enhances the role of the seeds, that enhances the market of the seeds. It helps in export, import. So that is why seed certification is important. And similarly to it, seed registration is also there. It is the official process of recognizing and cataloging new seed varieties. Okay, that is, we are registering seed varieties, that a variety has been developed, what are its characteristics, what are its name. So that is what seed registration is. Now we will say what are the objectives of seed certification and registration. So the major objectives are to ensure seed quality, okay, nicely written, to maintain genetic purity. Yes, we need to maintain the genetic purity of the seeds. We need to improve the crop yield. Obviously, if the seed will be physically and genetically pure, it will give good crop yields. It will helps us to support agriculture innovation, protect farmers' interest. Nicely written. Legal compliance. So these are fair points, good points. Now let's move to the second part of the question, where the question is asking about procedures for seed certification and registration. What are the procedures to be followed? So first of all, we have to write the application. Okay, that we want our seed to be certified. Then the some members from the KVKs or the agencies, any agency from where we want to get the certificate, the members from that agency will come and they will do field inspection. Okay, that the space proper, your plants are properly spaced or not, there are chances of any contamination or not, there is disease present or not, there are pests present or not. So all these things they will see in the field inspection. Then they will do sampling, they will test everything. Then lastly they will provide the certificate. Okay, in certificate they will provide various details such as variety name, lot number, germination percentage, everything will be written. And after that, after providing certificate, the monitoring is very important, because many times what happen, after getting certificates, there are chances of adulteration, not keeping up the quality after getting the certificate. So post certification monitoring is also important. Now what are the process of seed registration? It is also similar to certification also. So first of all, application has to be given, then the DUS testing will be done by the authority which is registering your seeds. DUS testing is that testing of distinctness, uniformity and stability of the seeds. Then field trials will be done, that what how much is the growth percentage, what have you claimed in the registration is fair or not. The field trials will be done, then evaluation will be done, and then it will be approved, and then you will provide the certificate. So this was the about seed certification and seed registration, and you can see how nicely student has written about seed village sim in the conclusion. So these are the things, these are the small things which enhances your answer. Okay, so I hope you are able to properly read the answers and you get a fair idea of how to write these types of answer. And when you will be writing these answers, you will be getting very help from these copies. So that is why we are having this series. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis, to bring these types of courses for you. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.